Welcome to the House of the Octopus.
Hey kids, I'm Kian from the Lion Guard.
Oh, I don't know who's more impressive, Ono or Hadithi. I do. Go Ono! Yeah!
I'm Jandra, I come after Kian.
My line is totally brain we all are.
Hey, I'm Little Fully.
Come on, Cliff Springers, follow me!
I'm a camel. I live in the desert. I'm an elephant. I'm big. I'm a pelican. I catch fish. Hey, I'm a shark. I have big teeth. I'm an octopus. I live in the ocean. I'm a fish with big eyes. I'm a crocodile. I have big teeth. I'm a cow. I live at the farm. I'm a giraffe. I'm very tall. I'm a zebra. I'm black and white. We are dolphins. We live in the ocean. I'm a cheetah. I run very fast. I'm a lion. I'm the king of the jungle. I'm a blue fish. I like swimming. I'm a crab. I'm a frog. I like hopping around. I'm a penguin. I like snow. I'm a duck. I like swimming.
Hit the red button to subscribe for more awesome videos.